Hello everyone, and this is me again, and it's been 2 weeks from my last video, and I decide after this hard and red day on most stocks markets over the world to make my new video talking about about the positions, about the stocks, about what's going on, what's might happening on the next trading days, what is going on with the market and all that stuff. So today, as we all noticed, the market started with a very selling waves. These selling waves take much of the stocks to the red area. And that exactly happened on like 4 or 5 years ago, on 2011, when so many people sell their stocks and change their equity to cash. Uh, like they scare about the economy and the inflations and all that stuff. So today, the economy is in a very good and very strong point. Actually, I can tell today is was kind of the people, especially the big bonds market and the big investors, was they still have some bad memories from 2008 market crash and from 2011 and from 2001. So all that memories still, and those investors, they usually control the big bunch of the market, and they weighing on the big stocks and like Apple, Google, ExxonMobil, Amazon, and all that big stocks. So big market capitalization stocks, as we can call. So that investors decided last Friday actually to start that big waves of sell-off. The market was doing very good on January actually, and that surprised me. Usually January, the first month of the year, usually a slow month, and the market surprised everyone, and it's grow about like 7% on January. And we start to get some news about the earning and how the new tax reform gonna affect that earning on so many companies. So it was a bullish. The market was bullish. The market was on a trend, and suddenly on Thursday and Friday, we start to see a big move of selling the stocks. So let us start today, and we will talk about Verastem, VSTM, and we will talk about other stocks also. Verastem been on my list since like 2 or 3 months ago, and I start make some technical analyzing on this stock. As I told before, and I'm telling today, and I will say that always, I'm not a certified technical analyzer. I'm just an independent trader. I have my own thought, and I would like to share that with you guys. And I will talk about other type of things, other type of investment can be a very good chance for the next, maybe the next 2 or 3 months, because of this wave of selling, same like forex. Let us go back to Verastem stock. So the Verastem stock is still, I think we are still doing good. We got a 600,061 volume today. We traded between $3.18 in the low price and $3.47 on the high price. And honestly, on the last 5 days, we're going down on the downtrend. After we hit around $4.05, after I called that stock a strong buy, and we got a very good days, and the stock get very good news, and then traded on good volume, a little bit good volume, and then we hit the $4.05. And then after that, the stock start to go down and traded between $3.40 up to $3.60. And then with that market sell off on Friday and today, the stock lost around like 7%, and we go down to around $3.20 on after hours trading. So what that mean? What this mean exactly? What's gonna happen? Uh, we can say it like this is a normal reaction for what's going on in the market right now. And this is a normal reaction because the investors for this stock waiting for the news, and they waiting actually for the company to submit the NDA for their first drug. So many buyers waiting for more positive signs from the company. They know that the cancer drugs market is very big and a very promising market, but they all still waiting for the company to announce a more positive news about their plan for the future. So this company is still on the strong buy, and honestly, it's a very good chance to increase your level if you already have the stock. I'm saying just hold it, strong hold it. Don't sell your stock and lose. This is my own opinion. It's up to you if you want to liquid your stocks, if you want to get cash in your pocket, if you have a bad feeling about the market. And that's what I get some messages today from some friends saying they got a bad feeling about the market. That's happened, but try to be logic when you already have this stock and you already down some percentage, and some people having a big chunk and they already down maybe thousands of dollars. Some people having a very few stocks and they already down maybe a few hundred of dollars. So it depends on your situation. Finally, it depends on your what you're thinking and what you want to do. But if you want my advice about that, I think it's good to average whenever you got the point. And I will talk about this point with the next seconds. So Verastem is still a very promising company. We are still above. If you look at the 1 year chart, we are still doing good. We are still on the growth line. The company really did good on all their trial phase, and their top line was also very promising on last December. And the market capitalization of the company is still on very good numbers. And also, if you look at the beta numbers, and if we notice that the market, the stocks outstanding shares still in a low level, and that can give the company a very good chance to grow. So if we look at the 3 month chart, we can easily note that there is a big sell point here between $3.55 and $3.25. So that's a sell point, and does that mean this sell wave can continue? That can happen, and we see that sell points on between $3.10 and $2.83, and that's happened just last month. So does that mean this is very bad signs for the stock? No, it's not a bad sign for the stocks. It's the whole market. But for you, if you want to keep holding these stocks, we still have a very big chance for a very good days coming ahead. And I think before the end of this first quarter, we're gonna get that news. No one can guarantee if the news gonna be good or bad, but I expecting good days coming for this stock. So the stock now on a strong buy call. The price resistance level can go down to around $3.10 within the next 2 or 3 days if the sell-off waves keep come. If the buyers coming again to this stock, and if we got a very good volume, we can go up to around $3.75. So the top points without news could be $3.75 within the next 5 trading days, and the low points could be $3.10, $3 between $3.10 to $3.05 at the low, very low level. So when you want to buy for sure, you have to watch the market, you have to watch the volume, you have to watch all the numbers, and try to put your limit, try to divide your amounts. Like if just let us say like you want to buy 1,000 share, and watch how you can do it. Just look at the ask and the bid price, and put your buy on whenever the good price is fit for your budget. I mean, if like now, we can say as an example, the bid price is $3.22 and the ask $3.25. What is the good entry right now? I can say that it's a good entry is $3.23. So just put $3.23 and divide your 1,000 shares. If you're using Robinhood, I mean, you know, this is a free traders. I'm not saying you need to use Robinhood or you have to use Robinhood. I don't honestly. So many brokerage they giving now very good bargains. E-Trade, Robinhood, Fidelity, all of these. But I mean, Robinhood is a free trade platform, and so many people like to do that free trades. So, like, if we can say like 1,000 shares, just make it a 3 parts. The one parts go with the $3.23, and the second parts make it like for a $3.15, and the last part just put it on $3.12. Just put the last one on the low level, just in case if the stocks go up, start to go up, you can cancel the other 2 parts of your buying order, and change to the price that you feel like it's a very good price. So this was a very small explanation about how I my own way to buy as the stock. So let us move from Veresteem. Before I move, sorry, I forget to tell something. Veresteem received a buy rate from I think from TipRanks yesterday or today morning, and last week also they received a buy rate, and they still the average for a long-term invest still like $13. So the stock still on the strong buy list, and still have bullish momentum, could show any moment. Let's go to my second choice today, and I'm talking about ENTH stock, the Anthera Pharma. It's also part of the biotechnology and drugs. So if we look at that stock, actually, this stock is honestly is very volatile stocks. It's go up and down. There is no trend at all. The stock lost so much of its value from last year, and so many traders will ask me uh, why you choose that stock to be in my strong buy list for the next 3 weeks actually. First of all, I'm expecting, as I read so many about this company, I'm expecting they having a few good news to show about their phase 3 top line, and they announced today the last patient enrolled on phase 3, and that's mean within the next 2 or 4 weeks we are going to hear something from them. We are going to hear something about this stock, and something about their top line. So the other things make me like look at these stocks is their numbers. They having a market capitalization around 20 million, and their stocks outstanding shares on around like 13 million, and that's really a very attractive number for the people who looking for a bargain, for the people who looking for a stock can move on, like on 5 or 6 million volumes, can make the stocks go around 30 up to 40% per day. And this is a good swing trade if you buy it on the low and wait a little bit, and then the news show as they expecting that news to be on the short term. It's not like a long term. It's not like a very long term. I'm talking now with this stock. I'm talking about is different story. Is different from VSTM or any other stock I will talk about. This stock is for a strong buy for a short term. What that mean? That mean you buy this stock, you wait for a good news to show, and then you, if you make your decision to sell this stock. So this stock with the last actually 5 days is going down, and the price is keep going down, and maybe some traders try to average. I expecting the last price level around $1.25 before a very good news, before a news to show. I expecting good news, but you know there is no guarantee. They having two products in their top line. One of them is Solapora, and this one is the one they're gonna announce their top line about. So we will. I announced that as a strong buy. My price target for the next 3 weeks is gonna be $1.90. Some people will say it's not that much. It's not that much a big price target, but I always like to be logic on my call and choose the decent price, and choose something we can hit, we can reach. So that's what about the ENTH stock, and let us move to other very important stock in my list. It's the MVAX. So the MVAX stock is one of a actually very good stock reacting on volume. Today the stock price down, acting on the whole market. Actually this stock's getting a big bunch of down, and we down around like to $1.83 on the low price, and we go to around $2.03 on the high price. So what's the MVAX? It's a company actually with a very big market capitalization. Their outstanding shares is also very huge amount, but they having a very good insider trading. They having a very good sense for a long-term invest. They having also a very good top line results could show, and they having a products can go through the market, a very fast products to go through the market. When we talk about the vaccines, you know, the vaccines markets is very huge markets, and the people, especially like in the US, we got a very high rate of flu this season, and that can make the people looking for or other big companies looking for this company looking for the MVEX stock as a potential growth stock with this huge market for vaccine. So my call for this stock is a strong hold. Just hold this stock, and if you can average, if you have a good amount of cash on hand, and you want to average your price, you want to increase your chance for any next catalyst for this stock, you can average for sure, but be careful. Make a look at the volume at the beginning of the day. Make a look at the depth view always when you trade. The depth view can tell something here, and I'm expecting $1.75 level again ahead. If the stock go down more, if the markets go down more. And my price target for this stock for the next 20 up to $25 is going to be $2.25. So $2.25 my price target. My mid short target, it's $2.50, and I expecting more to come if any good news show with their ER result, or with their any news about their nano vaccine, the RSV vaccine, or the flu vaccines, any of these stuff. So MVEX is still in the stronghold area, and it's still good to buy if you catch the chance to buy any amount between $1.80 and $1.75. So now we finished talking about this three stocks tonight, and I will talk about something about called what's happened with the cryptocurrency. Some people asked me about this, and I said that just 3 weeks ago. You have to educate yourself about any investment before you start this investment. Before you start doing the trading, before you buy any stock, before you do any type of crypto trading or forex trading, please try to read as much as you can. Try to find the good amount of education before you put your money and risk your money, because the whole I said that on my first video on YouTube. The stocks markets, it's always risk. It's always high risk investment. No one can guarantee for you the return. No one can say, hey, I have something it can give you this amount of return every like 3 months or 2 months or every 30 days. The stocks markets is very changeable, and the news can affect the politics, the everything can affect the stocks markets. For that reason, you have to know what to do. You have to get a good source of information, a good source of stuff to do. I suggest you guys to search more and to find the good stuff always whenever you want to do. I'm for today. I start to look at the forex market actually. Why I start looked at the forex market? Because it's always the investment. It's always chance. Some people can see something you cannot see. Some people can feel something you cannot feel, and that's happened in everything. That's happened on the stocks, on the life, on the financial, on the health, on everything. It's something you can tell that if you look at the whole picture of the stocks market. It could be a little downtrend coming, but after that, the economy in USA, I'm saying the economy is very strong paper right now. The job market is growing. There is nothing, there is not big concern about the markets right now. But if this sell waves keep coming, if there is a kind of rebalancing, if there is a kind of what we can say, the bubble that happened on the market on some stocks or on the cryptocurrency, it can be can be a chance for other people. Like when you sell your stock in a cheap price, other traders gonna buy it. So that's why I start looking at the forex trading. The forex trading and this currency trading, it's now could be the next big investment actually, because when the stocks markets started down, when the cryptocurrency markets also started down, the investors will start to look at other source of income. They will start to look at other what we can say a new investment chances. For this reason, I will leave some link with this video. You can give it a look. It's not about you want to buy this product, or you are making an advertisement for this or not. It's just an advice to find the good way to start your invest, or to keep your invest, or to get out from the investment on the good time. Thank you very much, everyone. I wish you a great night, and hopefully tomorrow gonna be better and could be better.